फूड अँड ड्रग ॲडमिनिस्ट्रेशनच्या फूड डिपार्टमेंटातल्या मायक्रोबायोलॉजी लॅबांत लागलो उजो. सुदैवान जीवितहानी जाली ना. घटनेची माहिती मेळटाच अग्निशामक दलान थंय धाव घेतली. त्याचप्रमाण थंय 4 एलपीजी सिलिंडर आशिल्ले ते तांणी ताबडतोब भायर काडले आणि खंय तरी एक व्हडले अनर्थ जावपाचें वाटायलें. त्याचप्रमाण इलेक्ट्रिकल शॉर्ट सर्किटाक लागून उजो लागला आसूं येता असो अंदाज अग्निशामक दलाच्या अधिकाऱ्यांनी बांधला. त्याचप्रमाणे ह्या उज्यान बऱ्याच प्रमाणात इक्विपमेंटांचे नुकसाण जाल्ल्याचे मुखार येता.
11:03 hours of call in from the FDA that there is a fire in chemistry laboratory. So we immediately turn out our vehicles with the fire. We also responded to the spot within short span of time. And when we came here, we found that one of the analyzing lab was under fire. So by using our water and we went, we doused the fire, and we saw that there was a dense smoke. So we had to use our PA sets, and then we used this one smoke extractor for extraction of the smoke. There were 4 LPG cylinders which were used in laboratories for their analyzing purpose. So we removed all 4 this one LPG cylinder and kept outside. And we found that in one of the lab there is some problem wherein fire has been originated. So we have instructed to them to take the precautions as required, and they will do the needful.
The cause of fire किती?
Likely at the initial stage, we just predict that it may be due to the electrical short circuit at the incubator, wherein it is connected to the point, wherein damage has been found at that particular point. So other points are very safe, but we'll, with the help of electricity department, we'll see what is the cause of fire, and we'll also instruct the madam, director FDA, to look into the matter for further investigation.
So major fire जाऊन पावना पण fumes चड जाले तेकातला पण
हां, मेजर फायर जावंक ना, पण तेंचो जो केमिकल लॅबोरेटरीचो सेटअप आसा, इट हॅज टू बी एनक्लोज ऑन ऑल साइड्स, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दॅट देर वॉज वेंटिलेशन वेंटिलेशन करपाक मेळोंक ना. सो तो स्मोक आसलो तो थंयच कॉन्सन्ट्रेट जालो, आनी स्लोली मागीर आमी जेन्ना येयले तेन्ना वी वेंटिलेटेड ऑल द दीस वन एरियाज and use your smoke extractor to remove the smoke from the area. And now it is safe. We are checking.
या विकातली ही कितली सेकंड थर्ड कितली घटना ही या विकातली
ह्या विकातली जी सेरेमपेटी जावन ही
सेकंड गजाल ओके
तुमकां कॉल कितल्यांक येयले?
11
कितले लॉस जाला टोटल?
We will have to estimate because they have their highly sophisticated equipment for testing and all that. Because being a chemist testing laboratory, many equipments are involved in that. So we'll have to sort out. We'll have to sit with director FDA, and then we'll see.
So approximately anything cost, any cost?
What is the advice to take the safety precaution in the lab? There is something missing.
Yeah, there are some IS specification for chemistry laboratory. When there is a laboratory testing, they have to take certain precautions as per their requirement. And usually fire department issues them this one, what precautions needs to be taken. And we'll again see all the areas, and we'll see that fire prevention measures extra needs to be taken. Also the LPG gas cylinders as per IS 6044 needs to be kept outside, that we have already advised them. So segregation of cylinder as per their severity needs to be taken up. We have already discussed with the madam director FDA, and we'll sort out the issue.
So in case of emergency, the exhaust is missing in the lab. They were having the exhaust.
Not so, because the see, laboratories as per their requirement they might have certain procedures and in place. So it would have been constructed and placed in that particular manner. So we cannot say that, but it is as per their requirement.
Sir, any casualty in this?
No casualties. No. It is well done that so those personnel who were present, they immediately evacuated themselves. and they came to the assembly point and they called us.
In the morning at around 11 o'clock. So fire incident, we could see the fumes coming out from the window. So immediately we called 101 fire brigade, and these people, fire personnel, they came and they controlled everything. So there is a
भितर कोण आले
no. All people were evacuated from the both. This has happened in the microbiology department of the food lab. In one of the room.
त्या लॅबान कितें जाता
So
टेस्ट
we do the testing of the food articles over there. So it is like all the microbiological analysis takes to happen over there, and there the AHU systems also are there, and the high-end instruments are there, autoclaves are there. So here, like one of the point we could see now, like the plug has caught fire, and the fumes, since it was a compact area, the fumes did not come out, so all fumes were generated inside, and this got spread over entire area.
धुवर जाता
Lots of fumes were there.
कितले डॅमेज आता मेरेन कळ्ळा तुमकां
Now we'll have to see now.
कितले सेक्शन्स आसले कितले
Only
इक्विपमेंट
one room and the adjacent room are empty.
इक्विपमेंट डॅमेज कळना कितें आसा
Not ascertained right now.
कोण इंजर्ड बी कोण जावं ना
Immediately, first thing what we did was we told everyone to come out of the laboratory, and like fire extinguishers we had, but we could not help it because it was full of fumes. So nobody could go inside because of fumes. So that is the reason we immediately called the fire brigade people, and they came immediately and they